Well, Matthew Apperson took the stand this morning in his own attempted murder trial.
He's accused of shooting at George Zimmerman, but today he told his side of the story. News 6 reporter Mark Lehman has been following this all week for us. Mark, Apperson had a lot to say on the stand today.
Yes, and his testimony just wrapped up within the last few minutes. Apperson detailing two different encounters he had with George Zimmerman. In both instances, he said Zimmerman threatened to kill him. The latest one ending with Apperson opening fire.
I was scared to death. I thought I was going to get shot dead right there.
Taking the stand in his own defense, Matthew Apperson telling a jury he was scared for his life when he opened fire on George Zimmerman in May of last year.
I didn't know what was going to happen. I didn't know if he was just going to roll down the window and fire through the window. I said, hey, I've got to protect myself. I pointed my gun and I shot.
After being involved in a previous road rage encounter with Zimmerman in 2014, Apperson said he fired that shot because Zimmerman threatened to kill him. Apperson also said he saw him armed with a gun after the two exchanged words while driving down the road.
First thing I saw was a little movement, caught my eye, but I clearly saw his arm outreached with a gun pointed at my direction, at my car.
But prosecutors say that would have been impossible. In court, they presented evidence showing the tint on Zimmerman's window was very dark, only letting 3% of the light through. And the window was also closed when that shot was fired.
I'm totally convinced that the window had to be in upright position at the time the projectile impacted the window.
And during cross-examination, the state asked Apperson if he intended to kill George Zimmerman. He only said that his intention was to stop the threat, which could have included killing him. Now, the defense is expected to call more witnesses this afternoon. We're going to be back in court once the trial resumes after the lunch break, and we'll bring you the very latest this afternoon here on News 6 starting at 4.